Hello, this is Wesson Airsoft with the review of the MNP-40 Smith & Wesson Airsoft pistol. It shoots 380 feet per second and holds 15 rounds. Let's go to a shooting test. I will attempt to hit a target 40 feet away with the Smith & Wesson MNP-40.
Miss. 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 Hit. Hit. Miss. Hit. Miss. 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 Hit. Hit. Hit.
Okay. As you can see, this is a very accurate pistol. It stayed in that one square of the ladder. Now, in a real war, you are facing a human target, so this will definitely get the job done. Now we're going to the 25-foot target. There are 6 cans. I'll attempt to hit them all.
Miss. 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 Hit. Miss. 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 Hit. 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 Hit.
And now we're doing a 40-foot target to see the spread. I'll shoot 5 BBs. Let's look at the results. As you can see, we got a pretty decent spread of BBs. This will definitely get the job done in a battle. All in all, this gun is a good gun. It'll be great in pistol-only tournaments and good as a sidearm. Thank you for watching and subscribe.